Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello. Please subscribe down below, give this video a like, and today we're going to be doing two different 4th of July looks. If you want to see how to get these looks, just continue to watch. Thank you to Miss Bennett for being the first person to comment on my last video. I really do appreciate you guys watching my videos, but all of your input and feedback and comments, likes, dislikes, all of that helps me out, not only to boost like views on my channel or people coming to my channel to check out videos, but it also gives me feedback on what videos you like or don't like, and it helps me to make content that you will like and improve on my videos. So I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. And if you want to see how to get both of these looks or just one of these looks, then let's just keep watching. I will try and put timestamps for each individual eye. So again, today I don't think I'm going to be doing a tutorial as much as just kind of talking to you, but I feel like I'm going to be doing two different eye looks just because I feel like it, and I feel like doing something 4th of July themed. So first eye, we're going to start off with the James Charles palette. We're going to dip into that blue, that very bright, vibrant blue. And this may be a very, very simple look, but that is okay in my book. This is just what I had in my mind. I'm going to do a cut crease. I said in my last video that my son is turning 1 on the 4th of July, so I am overly excited, like to the max. I'm also very sad about the whole situation, but you know, it's a good thing. I know it's going to be a good thing. Okay, I got that down. Like I said, we're doing a full cut crease, so I'm just taking it from the inner corner all the way to the outer corner and doing that false wing again. I'm not really bringing it all the way down because I'm going to take the concealer and cut right there. And that's what we're going to do now. Just, you know. So, I'm going to take that e.l.f. Camo Concealer again. And I'm going to I messed up there, but that is okay. People mess up. It's a part of life. You just fix it and move on. Nobody's perfect. In the words of Miley Cyrus. Sure someone else said it before her, but my mind's drawing a blank. So nobody's perfect. I gotta work it. Okay, now I'm going to take white. No, I want a different brush because I'm going to want that for concealer. Or I'm going to want that for the glitter. Okay, so take the white on this brush. And the lighter you can get the concealer, like if you can get an almost white concealer, probably the better. Just because it's going to make the white shadow look whiter instead of like a cream, if you catch my drift. Like, because right now it kind of looks like a cream. And if you want, you could stop right here with the whole eye look and that be it. Well, not it. You could skip the next step that I'm about to do. But I want to make this a little bit more fun, so I'm going to take a glitter glue all the way across my lid. Because I'm freaking extra, of course. And then I'm going to go into this Tarte palette, which, like I said, that white could have been the end of the eyeshadow, but I'm going to go in with this silver, especially since before this year I did not have glitters like this to use, so I would completely understand not doing this step. Although I am making a little bit of a mess. Like that, okay? And then we're going to take this red liner, maybe, hopefully. I don't know how it's going to turn out, but we're going to try. I don't know if you've ever tried, but sometimes, occasionally, it is hard to get liner over glitter. This one's actually not doing too bad, but it could be easier also, so something to note with the NYX liners. Okay, I'm going to take a break from this eye for just a moment. You know what? Now that I've got that on there, I'm going to attempt to do a star up here, but we'll see. I could have kicked myself in the last couple of videos that I was off the screen. Okay. Probably as good as I'm going to get that for now, but we'll just leave it and we'll work on the other eye and come back. So, concept is kind of the same almost. What we're going to do, dip into the red in the James Charles palette. I'm pretty sure it's called You're Kidding Me. For those of you trying to follow along and don't know which one I'm talking about. Although red should be a very descriptive word. We're going to go in like so. And then we're going to take that bright blue mixed in with a little bit of this darker blue, sort of. And kind of, I don't know what exactly the shape is we're going for here, but I just kind of went in. And this right here is why it's nice to do your shadow first. You don't have to. Makeup is all up to you. If you want to do your face makeup first, you go for it. Like, that is your business. That is your right. You do it, sister. So now we're going to take concealer again, now that we've got that on there. Okay, I'm going to take the white again, place it over top of what I did. I don't know if I'm actually liking this look as much as I did in my head, but we'll see. Okay, now I'm going to dip back into those blues again. I'm going to overlap it on this white just a tad. And again, you can stop here with the shadows, just kind of overlap the blue a little bit, make sure it's blended good, and that be it. But like I said, I have glitter. I want to use the glitter. This is my first year having glitter, so I want to use it. You don't have it, that is perfectly okay. This is the first year I've had it, so I completely understand. I'm going to take it on my brush, tap the glitter glue right over the white that I laid down, and then I'm going to go back into that Tarte palette, and I'm going to take the silver glitter once again and tap that right on top of the glitter glue, right on top of that white. You don't have to do the glitter. I know glitter irritates some people's eyes, and I know some people just don't have glitter, so this is why I do the white step first. That way, if you don't, you can stop right there. So what are your guys' plans for the 4th of July? Like day of 4th of July? Or weekend plans? Okay. Now that I got that down, this weekend we have a family thing to go to. I think I said that already. Day of, probably just spending it with my son because, you know, it is his birthday. Nothing too crazy. Maybe go somewhere to swim. I don't know. And then next weekend we're celebrating his birthday party. Like, we're having his birthday party. We're actually celebrating the day. With it being the 4th of July, we kind of got stuck in a spot where it was like, should we do it the weekend after or the weekend before? Because chances are I don't know what it is about people around here, but they still live like they're in high school, a lot of them, and they just want to go out and drink every single weekend. We were trying to decide which weekend would be best, even though like 99.9% of the time nobody we invite comes anyway, but we just wanted to make sure they had the opportunity to if they really wanted to. So that's what we're doing. Okay, I got this done. I'm gonna go ahead and get off camera, and I'm going to fix the face situation, and I'll be right back. Okay, on this side I'm pretty sure I'm just going to take the red blue liner. If I had like a navy blue, probably would have been better. I should have done this a darker blue, but you live and you learn. And then on this side, I think I'm going to start with that blue that I'd already started using. Work my way from the outer corner, like that, which I really like, into red on the inner corner, like that. I think I'm going to take a little bit of black liner. I'm going to put some lashes on right quick. I don't know how well this is going to work. I always have trouble with these lashes, but I don't know what my daughter is doing with my lashes, so we're just gonna try. We're just gonna try. I gotta let that sit for a second. And I was going back and forth between a liquid lip and a regular lipstick, and I had to do a liquid lip. This is the liquid lip Breathless. From Milk Cosmetics. Any bright red you have will do. But, oh my goodness. I got this with their Smoke Sessions collection. Okay. My liner messed up a little bit on this side from trying to put on the lashes, which it's a freaking Dollar Tree liner on top of glitter, so I'm not mad at it. It literally cost $1, and until the lashes came, it stayed on there pretty well. So just a heads up if you're looking for a decent liner. I definitely feel like that one is. I still haven't made my opinion on this mascara yet, but I'm going to use it today, even though this wouldn't be a good judge of character because I have lashes on. Oh, God, why do I always do that? Okay, these are the finished looks. In the comments down below, let me know which one you like better. This one's more playful, like whimsical, and this one's kind of just like, I know how to do my makeup, I'm sexy. So yeah, leave a comment down below. This side will be B, and this side will be A. Which side do you like better? Leave it in the comments. Also, if you're doing a 4th of July look, I know a lot of people have YouTube channels, so if you're doing a 4th of July look, link it down below so I can see it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.